Hello dear students, myself Simran and I am going to teach you mathematics. Alright students, so in the last class we have practiced the first 5 questions of exercise number 1.3. Okay, so today we will be doing the next 4 questions of this exercise, that is from question number 6 to question number 9. Alright students, so let's start. Okay, the 6th question. What is the 6th question? This is: a certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius per hour every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? What is said in this question? It is mentioned that the initial temperature, okay, is 40 degrees Celsius, and it is also mentioned that the temperature is lowered at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius per hour. And the questioner is asking us, after 10 hours what will be the temperature, final temperature. Okay, so basically you have to keep in your mind 2-3 things: initial temperature, the rate at which temperature is lowered, and final temperature we have to calculate. Alright students, so let's start. 6th question. What is our initial temperature? 40 degrees Celsius. So write initial temperature is equals to 40 degree Celsius. Alright, before anything is done, before the temperature is lowered, the original or initial temperature was 40 degrees Celsius. Alright students, and after that the operation begins and the temperature is lowered at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. So rate of lowering of temperature is equals to 5 degrees Celsius per hour. Now students, this rate is what? The lowering rate at which temperature is decreasing, right? So we'll take it as negative. So minus 5 degrees Celsius per hour. Alright students, and the temperature is lowering 10 hours. Okay, so the temperature that is lowered is lower temperature is equals to 10 hours. We know that the temperature is lowered by 10 hours, and at what rate? By this rate, into minus 5. So minus 50 degrees Celsius. So the temperature is lowered by minus 50 degrees Celsius. Alright students, what was the initial temperature? 40 degrees Celsius. From that particular 40 degrees Celsius, minus 50 degrees Celsius is lowered. Okay, 50 degrees Celsius is lowered, then the final temperature, okay, final temperature is equals to initial temperature minus this, minus 50 degrees Celsius, the temperature that is lowered. Alright students, so minus 50 plus 40 is equals to 10 degrees Celsius, because plus minus is minus. 40 degrees Celsius minus 50 degrees Celsius is equals to minus 10 degrees Celsius. This is the final answer. Alright students, so here you can have a look in this question. Initial temperature was given to you 40 degrees Celsius, and after that we are calculating the temperature, that is 10 hours. It is mentioned that the temperature is lowered by 10 hours at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius. So we have just done the same thing. Okay, 10 into minus 5 is equals to minus 50. So the final temperature is 40 minus 50 is equals to minus 10 degrees Celsius. Alright students, so this was your 6th question. So let's move to the 7th question. 7th question. There is a class test, and in a class test containing 10 questions. How many questions are there? 10 questions. Okay, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer. If you are attempting any correct answers, 5 marks are given to you, positive 5 marks. Alright students, and minus 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer. Okay, and if you have done your answer wrong or incorrect, then minus 2 are given to you. Alright students, and 0 for questions not attempted. Okay, and nothing is there, nothing is affecting if you haven't attempted any question. Okay, so for basically for attempting any correct answer, you will be getting plus 5 marks, okay, and for attempting any incorrect answer, you will be getting minus 2 marks, and for unattempted questions, okay, unattempted answers, 0 marks. Alright students, so the first part, Mohan gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect answers. What is his score? So firstly we have to find the score of Mohan. It is given to us that Mohan is attempting 4 correct, okay, answers and 6 incorrect answers. Alright, so what is his scores? So Mohan is basically attempting Mohan's 4 correct answers is equals to, we know that for every correct answer he will be awarded by plus 5 marks. Alright students, so 20, he will be getting plus 20 for attempting correct answers. Alright students, and he is doing 6 incorrect answers, okay. So Mohan's incorrect answers is equals to 6 incorrect answers, and for every incorrect answer he will be awarded minus 2 marks. Alright students, so minus 12. So he will be awarded plus 20 for correct answers and minus 12 for incorrect answers, okay. So we have to find his score. So his score will be plus 20 and minus 12. Alright students, so plus minus is minus 12 minus 20 minus 12 is equals to 8. So he is scoring 8 marks. Alright students, so these were the marks of Mohan. Alright students, so you can have a look also. He is attempting 4 correct answers and 6 incorrect answers. So his final score will be 20 minus 12, that is 8 marks. Alright students, so let's move to the next part. Next part is Reshma gets 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. What is her score? Okay, similarly here also it is also given that for every correct answer you will be getting plus 5, and for every incorrect answer you will be giving minus 2 point, okay, and for every unattempted question zero marks. Alright students, so now we will find for Reshma. So Reshma's correct answers five correct answers. Alright students, so 5 correct answers, and for every correct answer she will be given plus 5 marks. So 25 plus 25 marks for correct answers. Alright students, and she is attempting 5 incorrect, okay. So Reshma's incorrect answers is equals to 5 incorrect answers, and for every incorrect answer she will be awarded minus 2 marks, okay. So minus 2 is equals to minus 10, okay. So final score of Reshma is equals to plus 25 minus 10. Plus minus is minus, 25 minus 10 is equals to 15. So Reshma's marks are 15. Alright students, you can have a look here. For 5 correct answers, she is getting 25 marks. For 5 incorrect answers, she is getting minus 10 marks. So her final score is 25 minus 10 is equals to 15 marks. Alright students, so this was all about second part of question number 7. So let's move to the third part. What it is? Now, in a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer and 0 for unattempted answers. Okay. Similarly, you can write for correct answers, you are given +5. For incorrect answers, you are given -2, and for unattempted questions, you are given 0 marks. Now Hina, talking about Hina, Hina's correct answers. It is just said Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answer out of 7 questions she attempts. What is her final score? So basically she is attempting just 7 questions, 2 are correct and the rest of the 5 are incorrect. It is given over here, 2 correct and 5 incorrect. Alright students, so we have to find the final score of Hina. So Hina's correct answer is equals to 2. 2 questions she is attempting is correct. Okay. So 2 into +5 is equals to 10, positive 10. Okay. And Hina's incorrect answers is equals to what it is, 5 questions incorrect into -2, because for every incorrect questions -2 marks are given. Okay. So -10. So final score +10 -10 is equals to 0. So Hina is getting 0 marks. Alright students, she is attempting 2 correct answer for what she is getting +10, and she is attempting any 5 incorrect answer for what she is getting -10. So final score of Hina is +10 and -10, that is equals to 0. Alright students, so this was all about question number 7. So let's see the question number 6 now. What is question number 6? A cement company earns a profit of 8 rupees per bag of white cement, okay, sold, and a loss of ₹5 per bag of grey cement sold. It is given that there is a cement company. If that cement company is selling a white cement bag, then that particular white cement bag is earning a profit of 8 rupees per bag. Okay. And if that same company is selling a grey bag, grey cement, okay, then it is having a loss of 5 rupees per bag. This is mentioned over here. Okay. That a cement company earns a profit of 8 rupees per bag of white cement sold and a loss of ₹5 per bag of grey cement sold. Okay. So basically firstly we'll write for white cement profit. Profit means plus 8 rupees per bag. Alright students, and for grey cement loss, right? So loss means minus ₹5 per bag. So now we'll find the first part. Okay, what it is saying, the company sells 3000 bags of white cement. Okay, the company is selling 3000 white bags. Okay, and 5000 bags of grey cement. Okay, in a month, what is its profit or loss? Basically it is said that the company is selling 3000 white bags, okay, and 5000 grey cement bags, and we know that for white cement it is getting 8 rupee profit, and grey cement, if they are selling, they will be having a loss of ₹5. So we have to calculate the total profit or loss. Okay, so let's start. What it is saying in part A. In first part, white cement sold is equals to 3000 bags are sold, right? And for every bag 8 rupees profit is given. So into 8, that is equals to 24,000 rupees. Alright students, so white cement bag are earning a profit of 24,000 rupees. Okay, and after they are selling 5000 grey bags. Okay, grey bags 5,000 grey bags, and for every grey bag sold we are having a loss of rupees 5 per bag. So minus 5. Why minus? Because it is having a loss of minus 5. Okay, so minus 25,000. Alright students, so this is the profit and this is the loss. So net profit or loss is equals to 24,000 plus minus 25,000. Plus minus is minus 24,000 minus 25,000 is equals to minus 1,000 rupees. So this is having a loss of 1,000 rupees. Okay students, so you can have a look also. In this they are selling 3,000 white bags, and for every white bag they are earning a profit of 8 rupee. Okay, so 24,000 rupees profit, and for just selling 5,000 grey bags at a loss of 5 rupee per bag, okay, they are having a loss of 25,000. So profit of 24,000 and a loss of 25,000 will give you a loss of 1,000 rupees in total. Okay students, so this was your first part. So let's move to the second part now. What it is saying. The first part, the introduction is the same. What is the number of white cement bags it must sell to have neither profit nor loss if the number of grey bags sold is 6,400 bags? What it is saying, that overall they don't want any profit, they don't want any kind of loss, okay, and they have already sold 6,400 grey bags. So they are asking you what amount or what number of white bags they must sold, okay, they must sell to have no profit and no loss. Okay, so let's see. Basically students, in this particular question, grey bags are sold. In this, grey bags sold are 6,400, and for every grey bag there is a loss of minus 5 rupees. So what is 64 into 5 is equals to 320 00 and minus. So total loss of 32,000 rupees. So this is the loss, right? So in this we have to make the profit that is equal to 32,000 rupees. Okay, the loss is 32,000 rupees, so we have to earn a profit of 32,000 rupees. Okay, and the profit is earned by selling the white cement bags. Alright, so we have to earn the profit that is equals to 32,000 rupees. Okay, so white cement bag, we don't know about that. So let white cement bags sold is equals to x. हमें नहीं पता कि कितने बेचे गए हैं, but suppose हम x white bag बेच रहे हैं, then x into for every white bag there is a profit of rupees 8. Okay, so 8x should be equal to this. Okay, 8x should be equal to 32,000. Okay, so x is in multiplication with 8. Anything that is in multiplication with the variable that is x, that is to be found. If we'll take that particular thing to the right hand side, multiplication will change to the division operation. Okay, so 8 is in multiplication with x. If we'll take 8 to this particular right hand side, it will move to the division. Okay, so x is equals to 32,000 divided by 8. Okay, 32,000 divided by 8 is equals to 4,000. So white cement bags sold are 4,000. Alright students, so this was your answer of second part. Alright students, so you can have a look. For every grey cement sold, minus 5 loss, so the total loss is 32,000 rupees. So we have to earn a profit of 32,000 rupees to have neither profit nor loss. Alright students, so x into 8, that is equals to 8x is the white cement bag sold. Okay, so 8x is equals to 32,000 rupees. We'll take 8 to the denominator of this, like the division of 32,000. Okay, 32,000 divided by 8 is equals to 4,000 bags. Alright students, so this was about the 8th question. So let's move to the 9th question, which is replace the blank with an integer to make it a true statement. Okay, you have to make this statement true by finding out this thing, these blanks. Alright students, so let's find for the first part. This question can be done by hit and trial method, and I'll solve this question with the help of the variable that we have discussed in the last question. Okay, so firstly I'll tell you that particular part. I don't know about this blank, what is the value of this blank, so I'll consider this blank as x variable. So minus 3 into x, I don't know about this blank now, so I'll consider it x. Okay, so minus 3 into x is equals to 27. Now students, have a look here. X is in multiplication with minus 3, alright. So I'll take x here and I'll take this minus 3. This is in multiplication with x now. So if I'll take this to the right hand side, it will go to the division. Okay. If anything is in multiplication in the left hand side, if I'm taking that particular thing to the right hand side, it will go to the division part. Okay. So x is equals to 27 divided by minus 3, which is equals to minus 9. Alright students. So this is minus 9. How? You can also have a look by hit and trial method. What is it? This is a negative sign and here is a positive sign. It is clear that if this thing is negative, only then it will be positive. So basically it is negative. Okay. What integer should be multiplied by 3? Answer should be 27. 9 obviously, because minus 3 into minus 9 is equals to 27. Alright students, so this was all about that. Okay, hit and trial method. Next students, 5 should be multiplied by what? The answer should be minus 35. Firstly, this is positive sign, so this should be minus, so that the answer can contain the minus. 5 into what is equals to 35? 7. 5 into 7 is equals to minus 35. Okay. 5 into minus 7 is equals to minus 35. By the variable method, you can do 5 into x is equals to minus 35. Okay. X is equals to minus 35 divided by 5. 35 divided by 5 is equals to 7, minus 7. Okay. This method you can clearly just find out the answer, and by hit and trial method you can also find the answer. Alright students. So let's move to the next part. What should be multiplied with minus 8? The answer should be minus 56. This is minus, so no need to take minus here. So positive integer should be here. 7 into minus 8 is equals to minus 56. Alright students. So for this method you must have learnt the tables. Okay. Then only you will be able to find by hit and trial method. Okay. So do this by variable method. Okay. We don't know about this blank, so take it x. X into minus 8 is equals to minus 56. Alright students. So x is equals to minus 56 divided by minus 8, which is equal to 56 divided by 8 is equals to 7. Alright students. So this is 7. Okay. Now we'll see the next part. Next part is what should be multiplied with minus 12 to have the answer of 132. Firstly, this is minus, so this should also be minus, so that the answer can have positive value. So 11 multiplied by minus 12 is equals to plus 132. Minus 11 into minus 12 is equals to 132. Do it by variable method. X into minus 112 is equals to 132. So we'll take minus 12 in the division part, minus 11. Alright students. So this was all about these 4 questions. Alright students. So we have completed the exercise number 1.3 today. We'll be doing the exercise number 1.4 in our next class. We'll study the concept and the examples of exercise number 1.4, and our exercise number 1.4 is the last exercise of chapter number 1. Alright students. So just practice these first 3 exercises at your home. Alright. Have a nice day. Good day. Okay. Bye bye.